If you need to cancel your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will walk you through each step clearly. Step 1. Sign into your Adobe account. Go to the Adobe website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your Adobe ID and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Plans. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Manage Plan. Find the subscription you wish to cancel and click on the Manage Plan option. This will take you to a page with various management options for your subscription. Step 4. Choose Cancel Subscription. On the management page, look for the Cancel Subscription link. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. You may be prompted to provide a reason for your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to review any final details and confirm that you want to proceed with the cancellation. After completing these steps, your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription will be cancelled. You will receive a confirmation email, and you can continue using your subscription until the end of the billing period.